Oh. Uh-oh.
You have fun at school? Yeah. You got it?
Yes.
Good job.
Jackson. No. You be nice to your brother. Don't climb on him. Silly.
Oh, tap. I was like, what? What are they talking about?
I got your shoes.
Oh, yeah. Take off shoe, huh, Theo?
Oh, you eat your peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Good job. Vamos, vamos. Vamos. So cute. He's excited to play with us. Whoa, there goes Big Brother over there. I'm not going to see how long they can play.
Uh-oh, here comes Jackson. Hey. Hey, Jackson. Jackson, you? Be careful, huh? No. Don't touch baby brother's head. No, don't go up there. That's Howie.
No.
No, you don't say no.
No.
You hear me?
No.
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 No, you don't say no. You hear me?
Okay.
Okay, hold on.